Are Chow Chows aggressive? It's one of the most Googled questions about this ancient breed. And for good reason. If you've ever seen a Chow Chow in full-blown bark mode, you know they can look pretty scary. But there's more to the story than meets the eye. So let's dive in. In this video, we'll explore why Chow Chows sometimes show territorial aggression, how it manifests itself, and what owners can do to keep everyone safe. First, it helps to understand a bit of the Chow Chow's history. They were originally bred in China as a multi-purpose dog, used for hunting, herding, fighting, and even as a food source. This means they have an instinct to be aggressive towards other animals, and also a high prey drive. When combined with their natural wariness of strangers, you get a dog that is quick to sound the alarm if anything suspicious is going on in their territory. Chow Chows are known for being one of the most vocal dog breeds out there. With a range of sounds they use to communicate, they have a signature scream that can sound like a mix between a cat and a human scream, but they also bark, growl, and make other noises that are equally attention-getting. And while some people might find these sounds endearing, it's important to remember that your dog isn't just making noise for the sake of it. Every sound your chow makes has a purpose and a meaning behind it, and understanding what those sounds mean can help you become a better owner. When it comes to territorial barking, there are a few different triggers that can set your chow off. The most common is when they want to alert you to the presence of a stranger. Chow Chows are naturally suspicious of strangers and will often bark at them, even if the person is not actually a threat. This can be problematic if you live in a busy area or have a lot of visitors. But there are things you can do to help your chow feel more comfortable in these situations. Another trigger for territorial barking is when your dog is trying to protect their space. This is especially common when the dog is in a confined area, such as a crate or a small room. If your dog feels like they are being encroached upon, they may bark to try and scare the intruder away. Finally, some dogs bark excessively when they are left alone and start to feel anxious or bored. This can be triggered by a number of things, including being left alone for long periods of time, not enough exercise or mental stimulation, or even just a change in routine. So now that we know what sets them off, let's talk about how you can stop your Chow Chow from being so territorial. The first step is to socialize your dog from an early age. This means exposing them to a variety of people, places, and things, so they don't grow up to be a fearful or aggressive adult. You can do this by taking your puppy on walks in busy areas, inviting friends over to your house, and even taking classes at your local pet store. The more socialized your dog is, the less likely they are to react negatively to strangers. Another thing you can do is to teach your dog basic obedience commands, such as sit, stay, and come. This will help you to manage your dog's behavior and prevent them from barking or lunging at strangers. You should also teach your dog that it's okay to be around strangers by rewarding them with treats and praise when they are calm and relaxed in the presence of a stranger. It's also important to make sure your dog gets enough exercise and mental stimulation. A tired dog is less likely to be bored and destructive, so make sure to take your chow on regular walks and play sessions. You can also provide your dog with plenty of toys to keep them entertained when you're not home, and consider signing up for a doggy daycare so your dog can socialize and play with other dogs during the day while you're at work. If your dog's barking is excessive, you may want to consult with a professional dog trainer or behaviorist. They can help you identify the underlying cause of the barking and develop a plan to stop it. In some cases, medication may be necessary to help reduce anxiety or other behavioral issues that are contributing to the barking. Remember, a well-trained and socialized Chow Chow can be a loving and loyal companion for many years to come. With patience, positive reinforcement, and professional help if needed, you can help your furry friend overcome their territorial issues and live a happy, healthy life. Do you have a Chow Chow? What are your tips for dealing with territorial aggression? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more dog care advice.